everybody, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan! Today I will be showing you everything I am eating, and I'm also going to be showing you how many calories I eat in a day. I never actually count my calories. This is very rare, so I hope you're excited. First thing I'm going to do is actually take my vitamins. You must take your vitamins, my friends. Your vitamins, very important. Lucky for me, today's video is very kindly sponsored by SBR Nutrition. They have kindly provided me with 3 different liquid vitamin thingies. People always ask me what vitamins and supplements I take, and the most important thing that you should know is to take your vitamin B12. If you are vegan or vegetarian, you should automatically be taking this. Even if you're not vegan or vegetarian, you probably want to get your levels checked because many people are deficient in vitamin B12 and they don't even know it. I think around 40% of Americans are deficient in vitamin B12, and let me tell you that 40% of Americans are not vegetarian or vegan. That is for sure. Okay, let me just take some right now. Okay. This one be tasting like cherries. So recently I learned that liquid form vitamins are actually much more effective in absorbing into your body than pill form vitamins. So maybe you're already taking your vitamins, but your body isn't actually absorbing those vitamins. That's just money down the drain, you know, and vitamins just down the toilet. So I just took my vitamin B12, and I also have this turmeric. So turmeric is very good for antioxidant support, and we all know that turmeric is like extremely healthy for you. Let me just list the health benefits right here, okay? And I'm not gonna lie guys, this doesn't taste like chocolate, okay? It tastes like turmeric. But I mean, it's not that bad, it's turmeric. You could probably throw this into like your curry or something. Maybe I'll do that later. No, I'm too lazy. I also have here liquid biotin, which is really good for promoting healthy hair, skin, and nails. You know, just beautify yourself. It beautifies. And what I'm gonna do with the biotin is actually throw it into my smoothie. So I'm gonna be talking a little bit more about the whole calorie counting extravaganza. But first, I really do need to have some breakfast, so let's make a smoothie. Gosh darn, okay. What kind of smoothie should I make? My chai one? So the big camera died, so I'm gonna have to improvise. So hi, we're closer together today, okay? So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be like eating as I normally would eat. I'm gonna try to stick to just generally the things that I eat on a regular basis. And I'm gonna count my calories using MyFitnessPal, which is an app. So I'm gonna show you guys like everything I'm eating and also try to track it to the best of my ability. I need to make some breakfast. Like I just need to have something in my stomach. So I'm gonna be making my chai vanilla smoothie. So I'm gonna be using this chai protein powder as well as this rice protein. I'm gonna be using some frozen banana, some almond milk, and some hemp hearts. A cup of almond milk. I'm also gonna add approximately 1 banana. So 1 tablespoon of this rice vanilla protein and 1 scoop of the chai protein powder. And as I normally would, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts, hemp seeds. So I'm also gonna be adding a drop of this liquid biotin into my smoothie. This doesn't really taste like anything, so it's nice to add it into a smoothie. You can just take it directly into the mouth, or you can just add it into your smoothie. It's up to you, my friends. I like to always top up with a bit of water, and then we're gonna blend it out. Oh my god, seriously, this smoothie is so good. It just tastes like chai. Chai. So according to my calorie counter, this breakfast was 352 calories. A lot of people have always asked me how many calories I eat in a day. Ever since I started this channel, people have been wondering, do I count my calories? Do I not count my calories? How many calories do you eat in a day? And my answer is, I don't really count my calories. Oh. I have gone through stages in my life where I've counted calories, but at the moment and in the last very long time, I have not really counted my calories. The reason being, ain't nobody got time for that. That is my main reason. I just find it very tedious. I find it too much work and too much effort on my part. I'm not against calorie counting at all. I just think that for me and my lifestyle, I just don't have time to focus on another thing that I have to do, which I'm not even sure is that beneficial for me. But I just thought I would see, just out of my own curiosity and for you guys, see how many calories I eat. Let's see. So I don't actually know how many calories I'm going to end up eating in a day because I just don't know and I don't count my calories. But my guesstimation would be anywhere between 1,800 to 2,200 calories a day. That's my guess. Ooh, let me just... People also ask me every time they watch like my travel videos where I'm eating a lot of junk food, and also when I do my mukbang videos, they're like, how do you stay slim? Which, first of all, I'm not like, okay, like, it's not that I am like super skinny, you know. I definitely got some of that cushion, you know, a bit of that cushion, but that's okay. My answer to that is that I do not eat like that on a regular basis. I can't stress this enough. You are allowed to eat junky foods and bad foods. It's not illegal, guys. I think it's actually pretty healthy because healthy mind is a healthy body, you know. To me, being 100% healthy is not possible, okay? Like physically, I mean, like just to eat clean foods all the time, not possible. I enjoy food too much. But I eat healthy on a regular basis. Every single day, I'm not eating junk food. When I travel, it's a different story. When I travel for a short period of time, I allow myself to eat whatever I please, you know, because I know that this is not how I eat on a regular basis. You need to create healthy rituals on a daily basis. I don't eat like a gigantic amount of food every day, because if I did, definitely like 100%, I would definitely not be, you know, this size, you know. So yeah, like what you see in a mukbang video, what you see when I'm traveling, that's not how I eat. This is more realistically what I eat in a day, so take that into consideration. Plus, I do go to the gym, and yeah, just like having those healthy habits is how you have a healthy body. Yes. And now it's time for lunch. I'm having a very typical lunch that I eat on a regular basis. This is a dish that we sell at our vegan cafe, and it is fresh veggie bibimbap. It is basically a rice bowl with a bunch of veggies, and then we also have some marinated lentils. This isn't the most traditional Korean bibimbap, but this is our version, and we're serving it with our creamy gochujang sauce. It's not just gochujang, it's gochujang, which is Korean red chili pepper paste mixed with a few other secret ingredients, but the main ingredient is gochujang, which again is red chili pepper paste, and then you mix everything together and it all comes together like this. It's so delicious. I seriously eat this probably 2 to 4 times a week because I will never get sick of this. And here are the calories. And as you guys may know, I am a big fan of the second lunch. I guess this is a snack, but I think it's more of a small meal. Anyways, I'm having some rice and some more of those marinated lentils. I also have some tofu that's been cooked in a Korean barbecue sauce, and we have a few pieces of broccoli and red peppers. And then many hours later, I actually decided to go to hot yoga in the evening, so I had to have a little snack beforehand. So I'm just having a few pieces of almonds and cashews, and here are the calories for my snacks. I also have an Americano in there because I had about 2 glasses of coffee, just black coffee, and yeah, those are my calories. And after hot yoga, it was actually quite late. It was like 9 something. So I came home and I was really tired and lazy. So I'm just having some leftovers. I've got brown rice. I've got a few pieces of edamame. I've got this really sad looking avocado. I did weigh everything out so that I would have the accurate measurements for everything. So I'm also adding here some sesame oil and a little bit of soy sauce. This is very, very lazy, guys, but this is genuinely what I had energy to make. So there we go. This is realistic, cheap, lazy, vegan style. I'm also having a little bit more brown rice with some seaweed and sriracha, avi. After dinner, I decided to have a bit of dessert. I actually had some leftover homemade matcha red bean cake. My friend made this. Look how beautiful it once was Obviously, it's not as beautiful in my container, but this is so good, you guys. My friend is so talented. And here are the calories approximately for my dinner and my dessert. Obviously, the dessert, I did weigh it out, but I had to just pick whatever was the closest thing that I could find on the calorie counter because I don't actually know exactly what's in the cake. So that was just a guesstimation. So it is now the next day. So yesterday was, I would say, a pretty typical day in my eating. I try to keep it as kind of normal as possible, but of course, every day is slightly different. But I did notice a very big discrepancy between my guesstimation of how many calories I was consuming in a day versus the reality, which was a lot lower. I was actually consuming much less calories than I actually thought I was. After I had dinner, I was only at about 1,400 calories, which I thought was very low. And then I was like, okay, well, I have some room, some wiggle room here. So I thought I would have, you know, a piece of my friend's delicious homemade matcha red bean cake. So here's the thing, because I looked at my calories after my dinner and it was only at about 1,400 calories, I was like, okay, well, I could eat more. But if I weren't counting my calories, I would have no idea how many calories I ate. So I probably would have just stopped after the dinner. So that pretty much means that I probably would have eaten only around 1,400 calories if I weren't counting my calories. So I don't know if that's bad. Is that bad? Oh my gosh. All that being said, in the end, I ended up having around 1,723 calories, 1,723 calories, give or take a few, of course. 1,723 calories, 59% of my calories coming from carbohydrates, 21% coming from fat, and 20% coming from protein. I don't have a problem with this macro ratio. I don't know. I think that's pretty good. Who knows? Okay. So, I mean, should I be concerned? I don't know, you guys. I don't want to slow down my metabolism. And I know that if you decrease your calories too much or eat too little, like chronically or like kind of sporadically, I don't know, then you may end up actually, you know, going against what you're actually trying to go for. So even if you're trying to lose weight or fat, it's not necessarily a good idea to just like really eat low calories. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think I should up my calories a little bit? Do you think whatever I'm doing is working, like somewhat working, so it's okay? Do you think it balances out? Because I know that there are some days that I definitely eat more than like 2,000 calories or something, you know, especially if I'm like drinking, you know, the poison, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think my plan of action will be to maybe count my calories for another few days or maybe even a full week, just to kind of see if yesterday was just kind of an outlier rather than a pattern. Is that the right terminology? I also worked out. I worked out twice yesterday, guys. I did my workout, my normal kind of, you know, high intensity like circuit workout, but that was only like 20 minutes, but still, okay. And then I did hot yoga for 75 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So I worked out on top of those calories. So, I mean, I don't want to slow down my metabolism. And sometimes eating more actually results in your metabolism getting... Do you see what I'm saying? What do you guys think? Do you have an opinion on this? Do you know anything about calories in, calories out, metabolism, how much I should be eating, anything about macros, anything at all? If you have any opinions, leave them down below. If you have studies that show that I could potentially eat more calories and still lose weight, that would be awesome too, okay? Yeah. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I ate in a day with calories edition. If you want to see more of these calorie-based what I ate in a day videos, let me know. And of course, I would like to thank SBR Nutrition for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out their website down below. You can see all the products that they have available. And here is a list of their vegan products that they have available. So don't forget to check those out. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!